So now we'll see how we can find the next three terms of a sequence when we are given the initial term. So this is the sequence given to us, and basically we've been given the value of a1, and we have to find the next three terms, so basically a2, a3 and a4, by using this information given to us. How will we do that? Well, these are the things given to us, and when we plug in n is equal to 2 and 3 and 4, well, what happens? So we have to find a2, which is when we have n is equal to 2. So we'll plug in 2 in place of n everywhere. So 2 a2 minus 1. So basically 2 into a1, because a2 minus 1 is a1. So 2a1, and we already have the value of a1 over here, which is 1. So 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So a2 is 2. Now when we put in the formula for a3, so a3 is equal to obviously 3 a3 minus 1, since it's n minus 1, so 3 a3 minus 1, and a3 minus 1 is obviously equal to a2, so it's 3 a2. We already found the value of a2 before, which was this 2. When we plug in that 2 in place of a2 over here, 3 into 2, we have 6. And so a3 is equal to 6. And similarly for a4, we have the same procedure. We have 4 in place of the n in this sequence given to us. So the n over here will become 4. The n over here will become 4 as well. So this is 4 into a4 minus 1, and a4 minus 1 is equal to a3. So 4a3, and we already found the value of a3 before, which was 6. So 4 into 6, which is equal to 24. And now we have the three terms that we had to find, the next three terms in the sequence. So basically the three terms are 1, 2, 6 and 24. So yeah.